Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Ask AI feature in Notion to create new text content and improve existing text. Have you ever had difficulty starting a new project plan from scratch? It can take a lot of time revising your documents, checking for errors, or simply making your text more engaging. We can use Notion, an online tool that allows you to work on documents in a workspace that comes with a built-in AI assistant. Notion comes with an Ask AI feature that you can use to improve an existing text selection or even generate new text in seconds. At Expedite, we tried out Notion AI to see how well it can generate text for our Notion documents. We'll use the Ask AI feature to generate a marketing plan for a coffee shop and improve an existing email to fit their target audience. To start, open your preferred browser and type notion.so/login in the address bar. In the login page, you can choose to continue logging in with an email or login through a Google or Apple account. I'll click Continue with Google. In the Notion app, you can access all your pages in the left-hand sidebar. Let's open a new blank page in Notion for our marketing plan. To do this, click on the Add a Page button found in the sidebar. I'll label the page Marketing Plan. Hit the space key to reveal the Ask AI feature. Notion comes with a variety of suggested prompts you can use to start drafting content for our page. Let's use the Brainstorm Ideas prompt. I'll complete the prompt with brainstorm ideas for marketing a coffee shop for university students. Hit Enter and wait for Notion AI to respond with a list of ideas. Let's use Notion AI to elaborate on one of these ideas. I'll select the first idea and click Ask AI. I'll choose Make Longer. Notion will now generate a lengthier text that goes into more detail about the idea. You can choose to replace the selection or insert it below the selection. I'll choose Insert Below. Next, let's try to use Notion AI to edit and improve existing content. In this page, we have a sample email that contains a few spelling and grammatical errors. To fix this, select the text, click Ask AI, and choose Fix Spelling and Grammar. Click Replace Selection to apply these changes to the selection. Next, let's try to change the tone of the email. Select the email text again, and click Ask AI. Hover over Change Tone to see the possible tones you can use. I'll choose Straightforward. Notion will now rewrite the content into a more straightforward email. And here's the result. With Notion's Ask AI feature, you can quickly generate content for a document as well as expand, edit, and improve existing text.